Shift gears, mastering a useful English idiom. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, shift gears. This phrase is not just about driving cars, but it's a versatile expression used in everyday English. So, buckle up as we explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Shift gears literally refers to changing the gears of a vehicle while driving. However, metaphorically, it means to change your approach, strategy, or focus in any situation. It's about adapting to new circumstances or changing the topic in a conversation. This idiom is often used in both personal and professional contexts. Let's see how shift gears is used in real-life scenarios. 1. In a meeting, after discussing our financials, let's shift gears and talk about our marketing strategies. 2. In a classroom, we've covered math for today. Now, it's time to shift gears to science. 3. In personal life, I've been focusing on work a lot. Maybe it's time to shift gears and spend more time with family. Each example illustrates a change in topic, focus, or activity. When using shift gears, ensure that it's clear what change you're referring to. It's mostly used when there's a noticeable transition from one topic or activity to another. Avoid using it for small or insignificant changes. Other idioms with similar meanings include change tack, turn over a new leaf, go down a different path. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. That's all about shift gears. Remember, it's all about changing direction or focus. Use this idiom to sound more fluent and natural in your English conversations. Hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. See you in the next one.